In this lesson DVA Section 5, we will learn about duties of police officers, service providers, and magistrate, and these persons collectively called as the officers. There are 5 essential duties and 1 important rule has been described under this Section 5. A police officer, protection officer, service provider, or magistrate are called the officers. When the officers received a complaint of domestic violence or is otherwise present at the place of an incident of domestic violence, when the incident of domestic violence is reported to him, shall inform the aggrieved person. A. Her right to make an application for obtaining a relief by way of a protection order, an order for monetary relief, a custody order, a residence order, a compensation order, or more than one such order under this Act. Section 5b, the officers should inform availability of services of service providers. The officers should inform the availability of services of the protection officers. DVA Section 5d, the officers should inform her right to free legal services under the Legal Services Authorities Act, 1987. Section 5e, officers should inform her right to file a complaint under Section 498A of IPC wherever relevant. Provided that nothing in this Act shall be construed in any manner as to relieve a police officer from his duty to proceed in accordance with law upon receipt of information as to the commission of a cognizable offense.